Hey, good morning people. New day in Norway. We got a new rental car because our last one was freaking out yesterday. It's like having some computer problems or something when I took it in to the rental place. Got us a Countryman, gotta love that. But today we actually are gonna do a little bit of sightseeing this morning. We're gonna go on a ferry or a mini cruise or a big yacht or whatever and go see some scenery. But yeah, so we're just downtown right now. A bunch of people are inside. Oh! Whoa, the rest of the crew is inside getting some drinks at the cafe, but I just want to show you guys where we're about to go so you can know. This is where I'm walking right now. Look at this. This is kind of cool. I like this thing. This sculpture here. I don't even know what it is. What is this? Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh, here we go. It says right there. Good times. And I don't know what ship we're taking. I don't know if it's that one. It's probably this one behind that weird thing right there. It's probably over there. But I'm gonna go into this cafe. The entrance is on the other side of this building. I'm gonna get a drink, some coffee, latte, something, wake myself up. But yeah, oh, and sorry about the wind noise. I know just a little bit of wind really messes with this thing. I should have thought about that and brought a better mic, but I really am backpacking, so I don't have like any space. I gotta have room for a few pairs of clothes and whatnot. But anyways, yeah, let's get on that boat. All right, we're on one of our stops here on this ship, docking in. Try not to turn too fast. That footage yesterday was kind of shaky. We're all just hanging out here. Amazing views. Probably going to be some better ones as we go out to some different islands here in the fjords. But yeah, cool to be out here. Enjoying an awesome day. It's kind of cold up here. Glad I have this Palace windbreaker. Great for these windy days. Oh man, that wind noise. Sorry guys. All right, now we're back in the city, exploring some more. The city is just beautiful, I gotta say. Norway is beautiful. There's a bunch of amazing places. Can't visit all of them in our 5 days here, but we visit a few amazing ones, right, Abby?
Yeah, we're getting in as much as we can.
For sure. Definitely make the most of it. Stopping to get some fish and chips. Pretty tasty. Amazing scenery around here. This little hut, pretty cool. Oh look, tourist train.
Which way from here, honey?
There's the next place we're going here in a second. Up that staircase. The overlook. Keep exploring, people. We're walking around by the pier. See, there's a Viking ship. Oh man, this thing is awesome. Let me show it to you guys. Oh man. Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh man. Amazing. So we're out, all dressed up.
Sort of.
We get some fine dining in.
Yeah, some good fish here
One
in
day.
Norway.
Yeah, one day of fine dining here in Norway.
Thanks, babe.
Just, wow. Nice shirt, Aaron. Looking amazing. Main dishes. Abby, what do you think?
It looks amazing.
Looks amazing. All the guys got the catch of the day. Or the, yeah. What is this? Kind of like cod.
It's a white fish.
Lisa got lobster. Oh boy, that's gonna be fun. We're gonna get after this. Me and Abby have finished our main course. Now we're on to this amazing looking dessert. What do you guys think?
Never tried.
Strawberry with sorbet and
Never drink it tonight.
a cream. I'm not sure.
Something. The guys got some creme brulee. Very nice looking. Yeah. As soon as we're done with this, we're gonna do one more sort of hike. It's a staircase, but we gotta go change first. So
We're working off our dinner.
yes, working off our dinner, a very fancy dinner, and yeah. So let's go on that hike. I'll see you guys there. All right. We're at the beginning of the hiking spot. Basically going up to that building up there. So we got to find the start. I'm not sure where it's at. We'll figure it out. All right, we found the hike. We found it. We're heading there. I'm a little bit behind. Oh, look at that sculpture. Wow. That's crazy. Kind of cool. All right. Now we've got up. We're supposed to go that way, I think, up there. So, oh, there is a lookout over here. Let's check it out real quick. Ooh, not much. It's like this big crane here going overhead. It's kind of crazy. All right. So got a little glass lookout over here. What's up, babe? Oh, it's getting hot. Look at this view. Pretty amazing. And we've made it to the top. Way to go, Abby.
Yay.
You conquered. Well, sort of. A few more steps. Let's go.
All right, 416.
Or I guess we can't go in there, can we?
Go up to the top.
Can we go in this place?
think
Those
so.
people are in there somehow. I'm not sure how they got in there.
From the other side.
There's a lock on here. Yeah, maybe they got up on the roof here, came around. Pretty amazing though. Alright. Oh look, you can drive up here too. Look at that. Alright. We made it to the top. Here it is. Such a view. So amazing. I think we have basically half a day tomorrow, and then we're on to Oslo. Oslo? Yeah. There's a bunch of ways to pronounce it. Oslo. That's the Norwegian way to pronounce it, but yeah, it's been a great trip so far. I hope you guys are enjoying it, who are watching. I know it's a lot different from my regular stuff, but I want to show you guys the real me, and not just reviews, you know. One more shot here. There's like a bridge back there you can barely see. it's kind of cool. It's all ocean out there. Just amazing. Alright guys, so the day's just about done here in Alesund. We've been sitting up here. Oh, my gimbal is running out of battery. We've been sitting up here for quite a while, looking at this amazing view. Very beautiful. It's not going to be dark till like at least 1 a.m., so we got to get going. We're heading to Oslo tomorrow. It's like an 8-hour drive, basically staying at a hotel for a night, and then the next day at like 7 a.m. we have a flight to catch, so we got to be up at like 5 a.m. So tomorrow, probably not going to have a video. You never know. Probably not though. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated in the next couple of days, so just wait a couple of days. I should have another video up for anybody who's following my travels. And yeah, good times. Love y'all.